Hello, welcome back to the next course in this series where we will be talking about sales enablement and how this helps you market and sell for your roofing and restoration business. Essentially, it is helping your sales team do their job. Marketing should bring in leads, but it should also help your sales team to be able to sell. Sales enablement provides the right assets and the right content for them to be able to answer those questions for a prospective client without having to repeat themselves over and over and over again. They already have the questions answered, and they can provide these documents before they even ask the question. So with sales enablement, there's a bunch of different ways you can go about this. It depends on your business and your business needs. My recommendation is to talk to your sales guys about what questions they're getting most often. Is it people asking about specific services? Is it asking about, things they can DIY? Is it asking about, the financial return? Is this really worth the financial investment? Or examples of roofs that you have put together, just a lot of different things that could help provide authority for your business, so that people see that and they are able to trust you right away. Your website is a great place to house any sales enablement material, and it is actually your biggest piece of sales enablement material because you can send anyone to your website and give them all the information they should need about your service. So make sure that you have the right stuff on your homepage. You have these trust signals of awards you've won or, reviews that you have collected from customers, talking about your services, different metrics that prove, the financial investment or whatever, like here we have case studies that we have listed on the homepage. Just giving the sales guys everything they need to just send over the website and be like, hey, check out our website. It's got a lot of great information, right? Another thing that's really important is case studies. It is awesome for you to then have like a gallery of roofs that you have restored. Whatever specifically your company does, show examples of it. It's best to show exactly what you do and the quality of work that you provide so that when people are asking questions of will this be worth it, you can show them exact examples of, hey, your roof is similar to this, your home is similar to this. This is how we could make it look. Lots of people these days actually do their research before they even talk to a salesperson. They'll want most of their questions answered before they even speak to somebody on your team. Because if they don't get their questions answered, there's going to be a lot of ambiguity and they're not really going to trust you. So sales enablement is super, super important. It's also important if you're doing door to door, having little flyers or leave behinds or one sheets where you talk about your services. You have basically everything that I talked about on this homepage, everything that they would need just in a printed version that you can leave behind at their house, something that they have to continue to look at so that they keep thinking about you. So that is sales enablement. As you have good sales enablement in place for your team, sales cycles will get shorter, the close rates will go up, and your best reps won't burn out just explaining the basics over and over and over again. Tune in next time for our local SEO conversation.